this is the first time that I'm talking with both of the beauties from foreign. So let me ask you. So where do you come from, please, Jojo?
Me, I'm Lebanese.
Lebanese, and
Me
you?
too.
And you, Naz?
Leb- Lebanese as well.
Lebanese. Okay, but you
Where
are.
are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Nice.
Yeah. Do you know Bangladesh?
Yup. I understand.
Oh, perfect. Really? How do you know?
It's Bangladesh, of course. I know the country.
You know, just a name, Bangladesh, it's a country. But do you know more about Bangladesh, or just to know the name of Bangladesh?
Not really the culture, no.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Is it part of a Muslim country
Yeah, Muslim.
or no?
A Muslim country, 92% Muslim.
Okay.
You two beauties are from Lebanon, okay? But you are speaking English very good, like a professional. But do you live any other country?
And Canada. Canada, yeah.
Yeah, oh, Canada. I'm from Canada. But how long you have been staying in Canada?
For me, it's been 23 years.
23 years. And Naz?
18 years.
Oh my goodness. It's 4 years time you have
Yo.
been living there.
Yo,
But Jojo, you are eating something. What are you eating now?
I'm picking food and I'm just eating it. I'm so hungry.
You know what? I'm being really so hungry just looking at your face. You are eating and eating. So let me have some food with you, please. Oh my goodness, yeah. What is that? Is that cauliflower looks like,
It's
or?
lettuce. Lettuce.
Oh, thanks. Yeah.
Lettuce.
Yeah, okay, good. Well, oh, you're having bath?
So,
Jojo is hungry for food, and the Naz is hungry for bath.
yo, he say owns a farm.
Yeah. Finally, I would like to have a request.
Yes.
We speak.
What's the request?
Yeah, my request is we speak Bangla. You know what? We had to make a biggest battle for 9 months to achieve this language against Pakistan. But I respect Pakistan. No disrespectful over any country. But this is just a language, okay? So do you want to know little word? I mean the one sentence or two sentence how to speak in Bangla?
How do you say hi? How are you?
Yeah, okay. Hi meaning hi, there's no difference. Okay, and how are you? That's meaning Tumi kemon aso. Can you say with me, Jojo? Tumi
Tommy,
kemon
come on,
aso.
aso.
Yeah, you can say once again Tumi kemon aso.
Right. Tommy, come on, aso.
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my goodness.
It sounds like
You spoke very
that doesn't
fluently.
sound Bangladesh. Like it doesn't sound like that language. It sounds like Italian.
Italian. No, this is Bangla. And what kind of sentence you
not.
want to know, Naz? Let me know.
Did you convert me to Bangladesh? I said, did you convert me to Bangladesh?
Come here. Come here. Come here. So take me. So
What
take.
happened?
Nothing will
Listen.
happen, but I will give you a free accommodation. But though I just earn very typical money, but I will support you. Come over here with Naz also.
Maybe we'll see.
Oh, really? Do you want to visit in Bangladesh?
One day. One day.
Yeah, one day.
I'm stuck here more with work and stuff. I don't really like to travel a lot. I'm not a big fan.
Oh, but you know, Canada is a very beautiful and world-challenging country. So you should not go outside of your country to travel. First, get the beauties of Canada. That will be full of your life.
Okay. How do you say I will come to Bangladesh one day?
I will come to Bangladesh one day. That means
Yeah.
uh, আমি একদিন বাংলাদেশে আসবো। আমি
Ami,
একদিন
একদিন
বাংলাদেশে
Bangladesh
যাব।
যাব।
যাব, জে
আমি
ফর
একদিন যাও।
যাব, বি যাব।
যাব। আমি একদিন বাংলাদেশে যাব।
Oh my God, that's a beautiful. You know what? Bangla language is one of the seventh largest language.